Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnCity and welcome back to my resources class. Today we'll continue from Module 5 of our topic Managing Employee Problem. Module 5, Legal Considerations in Managing Employee Problems. Overview of legal consideration in managing employee problems. Legal consideration in managing employee problem are a crucial aspect of effective human resources management. Employers have a legal obligation to ensure that their workplace is free from discrimination, harassment, and retaliation. This means that employers must be aware of the legal framework governing employment relationship and take proactive steps to prevent and address employee problems. In this content, this article provides an overview of the legal consideration that employers should keep in mind when managing employee problems. Number 1, employment laws. Employment laws governs the relationship between employers and employees. These laws covers a wide range of topics, including discrimination, harassment, wages, hour of work, and safety. Employers must ensure that they comply with federal, state, and local employment laws. Failure to comply with these laws can result in legal actions, fines, and reputation damage. Some of the key employment laws that employers should be aware of includes Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. American with Disabilities Act ADA prohibits discriminations against individuals with disabilities. Age Discrimination in Employment Act ADEA prohibits discriminations against individuals over the age of 40. Fair Labor Standard Act FLSA establish minimum wage and overtime pay requirements. Family and Medical Leave Act FMLA provides eligible employees with unpaid job protected leave for certain family and medical reasons. Number 2, policies and procedures. Employers should have policies and procedures in place to address employee problems. These policies should be communicated to all employees and should be enforced consistently. Examples of policies and procedures that employers should have in place include 1, anti-discrimination and harassment policies. Establish guidelines for preventing and addressing discrimination and harassment in the workplace. 2, disciplinary policies. Establish guidelines for addressing employee misconduct and outline the disciplinary process. 3, grievance procedures. Provide a mechanism for employees to raise concerns and resolve disputes with their employers. Number 3, documentation. Employers should keep accurate and detailed record of employee problem. This documentation can be used as evidence in legal proceeding and can help employers demonstrate that they have taken appropriate steps to address employee problems. Examples of documentation that employees should keep include performance evaluation, disciplinary records, complaints of discrimination, harassment, or retaliation, accommodation requests. Number 4, investigations. Employers must conduct prompt and thorough investigations of employee problems, such as complaints of discrimination, harassment, or retaliation. This investigation should be conducted by impartial party, and all relevant evidence should be considered. Employers should also take appropriate corrective actions based on the findings of the investigations. Number 5, retaliations. Employers must ensure that they do not retaliate against employees who raise concerns or file complaints against workplace problem. Retaliation can take many forms, such as demotion, termination, or a negative performance review. Employers should have policies in place to protect employees from retaliation and should take appropriate actions against any employee who engage in retaliation. In conclusion, legal consideration in managing employee problem: employers must comply with employment laws, have policies and procedures in place, keep accurate documentation, conduct thorough investigation, and protect employees from retaliation. By taking these steps, employers can prevent and address employee problems and create a positive workplace culture.